1. Wake up 30 minutes earlier. Own your morning. Own your day. 2. Read 10 pages daily. Steal someone else's genius in minutes. 3. Use the 2-minute rule. If it takes less than 2 minutes, do it now. 4. Plan your day the night before. Execution becomes effortless. 5. Say no more often. Protect your time and energy. 6. Track every dollar. Respect money. It respects you back. 7. Cut one digital distraction per week. Focus skyrockets. 8. Smile even when you don't feel like it. Your brain thinks you're in control. 9. Use Pomodoro timers. 25 minutes focus, 5 minutes break. Work like a machine. 10. Write one thing you're grateful for daily. Train your brain for positivity. 11th. Compliment someone every day. Energy returns doubled. 12. No screens 30 minutes before bed. Sleep like a boss. 13. Stretch every hour. Sitting all day drains energy. Movement equals power boost. 14. Drink water first thing. Hydrate, fire up your brain, kill fatigue. 15. Declutter one thing daily. Clear space equals clear mind. 16. Stand 10 minutes every hour. Circulation and energy equal unstoppable focus. 17. Meditate 5 minutes daily. Stress down, focus through the roof. 18. Reflect on one win before bed. Celebrate small victories. Success mindset activated. 19. Write your biggest goal daily. Repeat until your brain believes it's done. Step outside 10 minutes daily. Nature heals faster than scrolling. 21. Make your bed. First win equals momentum. 22nd. Unfollow negative influences. Protect your mental energy. 23. Speak positive affirmations in the mirror. Feels weird? Do it anyway. 24. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Aim for 1% better daily. 25th. Set 3 micro goals every morning. Small wins create huge results. 26. Limit sugar. Stable energy equals sharp mind. 27. Eat 1 extra vegetable daily. Small upgrades lead to big health wins. 28. Learn 1 new word daily. Expand your thinking. Stay sharp. 29. Take 5 deep breaths when stressed. Instant reset for body and mind. 30. Step out of your comfort zone once a day. Growth happens at the edge of fear. Start today. Pick just 1 habit. Tiny changes stack into massive results. Take control, crush your day, and own your life like a boss.